Hi you guys, it's me Trudy. Welcome to Tucker and Tulips. So I am here today, you guys, and I'm a bit overdue. Today is the 2nd of February, and I wanted to do a response to the video I made about, it was a hidden giveaway that I put in a video, and it is that video right there, the journal with me. And I put that up before I went on a cruise, you guys. I wanted to give away a Valentine journal, or it doesn't really have to be a Valentine journal. It could be any kind of journal, but I'm using mine for a Valentine journal for the month of February. And I think I told you guys in that video that I was leaving to go on a cruise, which I did, and we had the best time ever. It was wonderful. We went with my brother and my beautiful sister-in-law, and we had a fabulous time. And but the very last day I got a bug, you guys, and boy, I woke up in the middle of the night and I was vomiting and I could not stop. And that following day is when we were catching our flight back to Arizona. So it was quite an ordeal, and thankfully Johnny was the best gentleman ever and treated me like a queen and helped me throughout the whole thing. It was really, really bad, but I didn't want to come on here and tell you guys, because I feel like I come on here and tell you guys the bad things, but there were so many good things in that trip. But that's the truth of it. And I thought I would explain, because I didn't start feeling better until just well, today, really, because even yesterday I still was vomiting. So but today was a really great day. I was able to, actually I did yesterday too. I started off and I thought I felt better, and then it kind of creeped up. It's just really weird. It's like all of a sudden I just get these, like, I don't know, like it just, I can't even describe it. But I mean, other than, you know, vomiting and just kind of feeling queasy for a little bit, you know, I feel just fine, but it's just, yeah. So, I mean, I don't have a headache or anything like that. And I know it wasn't motion sickness, because we were taking the medication, or the I had a patch, and I hadn't been sick in the entire time. But anyways, it was probably a bug, you know, and anyway, and that was that. So I needed to come on here and do this giveaway, and I felt really bad about it. And so I want to, and it was a hidden giveaway, and I like to keep my word. So I thought I would bring you on here, and I don't have a whole lot of responses to this, but that's okay. I don't mind. So I have Naomi, that's Garden and Books, Naomi. She's from Canada, and she commented a few times. So here's what I'm gonna do, because I don't know, like I just feel like I want to do something nice for you guys, because you guys take the time and comment on my videos, and I really appreciate that. I really do. So I know mailing things to Canada can be quite expensive, but I think I can figure something out to where I can maybe give you a, like well, and I'm not sure how to do that, but I want to maybe a gift card for Amazon, and I want to do a $20 gift card to Amazon. So I'm going to put everybody in the generator, and if you're Canadian, then I'm going to give you the gift card, and then if you would like, I can mail out, well, no, I don't want to do that. So let's do this. if a Canadian, somebody from Canada, that if Naomi, if you win, because I think you were one of the only people that, you know, sort of entered that, and Naomi, you've been just incredible and always comment on my videos, and I appreciate that. So if you do win, then I will do another one, and then it'll be for somebody in the US, and so I'll send that journal to that person along with some goodies, because I always do that. So, and I do apologize because I wanted you to be able to use it while I use mine, and I haven't even started my February one, guys. Up until yesterday I was literally in bed. So anyways, so we can work on it throughout the month, and I'll get that out as soon as tomorrow. If you get a hold of me and I have your address, I promise I will get that out as soon as tomorrow, because I have some other things that I need to mail out tomorrow. Okay, so I have you on here, and the first one is garden and books, so that's one. Let me just keep track of that because I know I'll lose the number. Okay, so we have one, and then Hazel, I don't think you put the secret word in there, so I'm not going to enter you, but thank you for commenting, and I'm glad that you did find my channel as well. Let's see. Okay, Sapphire Tiger, that is Sharon. And if you guys have not subscribed, Sharon is a let me get that. Sharon is a new junk journaler, but she's got a lot of wisdom, so go over there and check her out. That's her Sapphire Tiger, and we're trying to collaborate because we're gonna do a live. I don't know if we'll do a live together. Maybe we can. I don't know. We'll figure that out, but we're still talking about that really soon, though, when I'll put it out on my community page. Okay, so let's see. And then we have Confetti Rue Studio, and that's, I don't know your real name, so, but we'll go ahead and enter you. So we have 3, that's 1, 2, 3, and then that's Naomi again, and Naomi again, and Naomi. Okay, so we have 3. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over here. So we're gonna do 1, max of 3. And we're gonna go ahead and, oops, did I do it already? I don't know. Let's see. 3. I think I might have done it. Minimum is 1, maximum is 3. Oop. Let's do this one, right? Will size. So number. Okay, so let's do that. Yeah, let's do that one. Let's do the wheel spin. 2, number 2. And so number 2 was Sharon. Sharon, you won my giveaway. That's awesome. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try to get a hold of Sharon so I can get this mailed out to her. And let's see, I think that's it, you guys. I think that's it. So Sharon, you won my giveaway, and you're gonna be getting my Valentine little journal, and that'll be really cool because when you get it, maybe we can work on it together for the month of February. So thank you Naomi, thank you everybody for even, you know, coming over to my little channel and commenting and wishing my little puppy you know, good vibes. I appreciate that, I really do. And for my secret giveaway, that was fun. So thank you again, Sharon. I will get a hold of you so that I can get these winnings to you. And you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful Valentine month and you're all doing well. All right. I will talk to you guys really soon. We'll see you later. Bye for now.